Welcome to RoboForm for Business. First, we want to create logins for your team. There are 3 ways to do this. Import a CSV from your previous password manager, add them manually from your start page, or let RoboForm save them as you log into websites. Once your logins are in, RoboForm scans them for strength and alerts you to any that are compromised. Here, my Dropbox login has a red exclamation mark, meaning it's been exposed in a data leak and should be changed immediately. RoboForm can help with that. Click the icon, then follow the prompt. It takes me to the site, fills in my username and password, and submits the form. When changing a password, RoboForm fills the current one and brings up the password generator for the new field. Click the gear icon to adjust the length and complexity. This one looks good, let's fill it. RoboForm detects the new password, prompts to update the login, and we're done. Back on the start page, Dropbox is no longer flagged. It's now ready to share. Let's go to the Admin Center. Click the RoboForm extension, then the 3 dots in the top right, and open Admin Center. You can also click your company name from the start page. To add users, click the blue plus icon in the top left. You can add users one at a time by entering their name and email. They'll receive an invite with a temporary password. You can also join an existing RoboForm account, bulk import via CSV, or integrate with an identity provider with SCIM provisioning. With users added, let's create a group. Name the group and choose from the following settings. Server stores data in the cloud, securely of course. Synced adds a local copy for offline access. Limited users can't read or edit logins. They can only autofill and use them, while regular users have full read and write access. These are the group defaults. You can adjust permissions for individual users within the group later if you want. Now, let's add users and data to the group. Hover over the user list to reveal checkboxes. Select some users and add them to the group. Then switch to the Data tab and do the same to add credentials. Our users now have access to the Dropbox login. RoboForm can act as an authenticator and automatically share codes with users who have access to the login. Just go to the app security settings, enable 2FA, and choose Authenticator app. Wait a few seconds, and RoboForm will scan the QR code, finish the setup, and start to pull in the verification codes. Now, when I log into Dropbox, RoboForm fills in the username, password, and pulls in all the 2FA codes, everything I need right away. And that's it. You're on your way to secure, streamlined password management for your team.